Hey all you cool cats and kittens. My name is Tyler Hargis and this is my Exam 4 Video 1 presentation. I'm here to talk to you about how the insertion and deletion of one base pair can result in a shorter, non-functional mutant protein. This process of inserting or deleting part of a DNA sequence is called a frameshift mutation. Oh, bye Stunna. This affects what amino acids are expressed, and it can alter the start and stop codons. There are many things that can cause frameshift mutations to occur within the DNA. This includes intercalating agents, which are large molecules that cause mutations by implanting themselves between DNA base pairs. Another thing that specifically causes insertions and deletions is unequal crossing of the DNA strands. This is when homologous chromosomes are incorrectly aligned during crossover. Unequally crossing will produce two mutant proteins, one with an insertion and one with a deletion. Now, let's look at an example of what an insertion can do to a normal DNA sequence.
Displayed on this whiteboard are the normal and mutant DNA sequences and their corresponding amino acids. As you can see, the first two amino acids are unchanged and only have one possible amino acid. Therefore, this mutant DNA sequence was created by the insertion of an A base after the amino acid tryptophan was expressed. Because of this, we can now use the genetic coding dictionary to determine the base pairs that correspond to these amino acids. A good way to think about this is to notice that the inserted A just pushed down all the other bases. Therefore, we can figure out which bases come next in the sequence. Isoleucine must be AUU. Judging by the second base in phenylalanine, and the base pair for phenylalanine must be UUC, based on the histidine. This pattern will continue until we reach the stop codon on the mutant protein. Lastly, since the normal protein continues, you can't prove what their base pairs actually are, so they could potentially be any of these combinations, but I've chosen to use AAA and GGC. Thank you.